Life connects across Earth through ecosystems and the biosphere. Hello and welcome back. I am Mark from Mentivia, and I will guide you through the final levels of biological organization, where life merges with its physical environment. We'll explore how ecosystems form through the interaction of living communities and non-living elements like water, soil, and climate. These systems support biodiversity and regulate essential processes such as nutrient cycling and energy flow. At the largest scale, the biosphere encompasses all ecosystems, illustrating how every organism, population, and community contributes to the global balance of life. First, let's define an ecosystem. An ecosystem is not just a collection of living things. It's a dynamic system comprising all the living organisms, which we call the community, in a particular area, along with all the non-living physical components of the environment with which they interact. These non-living components, or abiotic factors, include things like water, soil sunlight, temperature, and air. It's the interplay between the biotic and abiotic elements that truly defines an ecosystem. Ecosystems are incredibly diverse and can vary greatly in size. Think of a tiny puddle, a rotting log, a small pond, a vast forest, a sprawling desert, or even an entire ocean. Each of these is an ecosystem, characterized by its unique climate, geography, and the specific species that inhabit it. Within every ecosystem, there's a continuous flow of energy and cycling of matter, as organisms interact with each other and their physical surroundings. Now, let's ascend to the highest and most inclusive level of biological organization, the biosphere. The biosphere is, quite simply, the sum of all ecosystems on Earth. It encompasses every single place where life exists, from the deepest trenches of the oceans to the highest mountain peaks where organisms can survive, and even extending into the lower atmosphere. Imagine our planet as a giant, interconnected living system. The biosphere is that thin, life-sustaining layer around the Earth. It integrates all living organisms and their relationships, including their profound interactions with the Earth's crust, known as the lithosphere, its water bodies, the hydrosphere, and its air, the atmosphere. It's a truly global system, where local ecosystems are interwoven into a planetary tapestry of life. The relationship between ecosystems and the biosphere is one of fundamental interconnectedness. Every ecosystem, no matter how small or isolated it might seem, contributes to the overall functioning and health of the biosphere. Changes in one ecosystem, such as deforestation in a rainforest or pollution in a river, can have ripple effects that influence other ecosystems far away and ultimately impact the health of the entire global system. It's within the biosphere that critical global processes occur, sustaining life on a planetary scale. Think about the carbon cycle, which regulates Earth's climate by moving carbon between the atmosphere, oceans, land, and living organisms. Or the water cycle, which continuously distributes water across the planet. The nitrogen cycle, essential for building proteins, also operates at this global level. These cycles are vital life support systems, maintained by the collective activity of all ecosystems within the biosphere. In conclusion, understanding ecosystems and the biosphere provides us with a holistic view of life on Earth. Ecosystems show us how living organisms interact with their immediate non-living environment, while the biosphere reveals the grand, interconnected web of all life on our planet. Recognizing the importance of these highest levels of biological organization is crucial for environmental awareness, conservation efforts, and ensuring the long-term sustainability of life on Earth. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep learning with us, make sure to click the subscribe button. It's the best way to stay updated with new content. For even more free educational resources, including e-learnings, videos, and articles, visit mentivia.com. It's your one-stop destination for exploring science, history, and much more.